Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're working on pages 119 and 121 of your student's book. That would be simple past passive and simple past passive plus by plus agent. Alright, so to start we're going to define what are active and passive sentences. So an active sentence starts with the doer of the action, the one that is doing the action, plus the verb in the simple past, plus a receiver or an object, the one that receives the action, and a complement. But if we're talking about a passive sentence, we're going to start with the receiver this time. So receiver becomes the subject of your sentence, plus the verb to be in the past, which is was or were, depending on your receiver, plus the verb in the past participle. This one is different, right? Simple past, past participle, plus the complement. Or sometimes you're going to use the doer of the action here, but you're going to need the preposition by. All right, let's check that out with the example. So on your book, the first example says, a student found a bag on a bus, right? So student is the doer of the action. Found is the simple past of the verb find. A bag is the object or the receiver of this action. What did the student find? A bag, right? And the complement is on a bus. So we want to change this active sentence that we have here. This is an active sentence. We want to change it into passive. Okay, so to do that, we're going to start with a bag, which is the object. So a bag, and then I'm gonna need the verb to be, right? So was, my verb in the past participle, which in this case is the same thing, but it's not gonna be that way always. Okay, a bag was found on a bus. There you go. This sentence is passive. So you start with the object this time, then you use the verb to be, past participle verb, and object. But if you were going to use the doer of the action, you could add by a student. So a bag was found on a bus by a student. Only if this person is important.